Hi friends, today we'll be making almond butter. Have you tried making almond butter at home? If not, then take a look at the recipe today. It's super easy, super simple, and it only requires one ingredient, and that's raw almond. So without further ado, let's get started.
Taking about 1.5 cup of raw almond. You can take more if you like. Just make sure your tray is big enough to have all the almonds in single layer. Spray your tray with oil, or you can also brush it, and then just add the almond in the tray and make sure they are in single layer. Then bake at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Then you can add the almond in a food processor. Just one ingredient. Salt is optional. I like to add little salt. I'm going to add about 1/8 teaspoon. You can add a little more if you like. And that's all. That's all it is. And just pulse it in the beginning until it resembles coarse crumbs. So first couple times just pulse it. And then you can just let it run. And this is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes, so you can just go do other things. Like I'm going to just tidy up my kitchen and do other things. And that's all it needs. Now the food processor will be doing all the job. You just keep watching. It's going to go through different stages, so see how it is right now. So depending on your food processor, it may take 5 to 8 minutes or even longer. And it's going to go through stages, as you can see, but you can see the creaminess of the butter is forming, and when that happens, then you're almost done. You can stop in between if your food processor gets hot and check it. Also check for consistency, and if you're happy with this, then you can just stop, or you can just blend it for a little longer until it's as creamy as you like, and that's all you need.
If you try the recipe, then let me know in comments below how your almond butter turned out and different ways that you'll be using. Would love to hear from you.